Hello and welcome back to our channel to the problem solving session of median. Median is divided into three series: individual series, discrete series and continuous series. And in this series, individual series we know that there is only observation given, and in discrete series we know that there is observation and its frequency is given, and in continuous series we know that class interval of the observation and frequency is given. By this given data, we will solve the questions. Today we are going to solve three type of questions, that is finding the value of the frequency in individual series, when 0 is given as frequency or in frequency and its median in discrete series, and missing data and median of continuous series. Okay, let's get on with it. First we are going to pick up individual series. See this is the question. Here it is mentioned that the median of the observation is given as 22 and the observation is 10, 12, 13, 16, x plus 1, x plus 3, 32, 36, 40 and 45. So here this question is asking us to find the value of x. Okay, now let's see the solution. When you have given these kind of questions in NET, I can tell you one thing, that you have to find the median number first. Median number, and median number is found out just like median, that is n plus 1 upon 2. Here n we take as number of items, 10 number of items. Okay, तो ये हुआ 10 plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 5.5. ये 5.5 fifth item. 5.5 items मतलब, let's number these: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 5.5 आइटम मतलब x plus 1 और x plus 3 के जो बीच में आता है वो 5.5 आइटम. तो हम लोगों को इसकी वैल्यू तो नहीं पता. नाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ 5.5 आइटम बाय यूजिंग अर्थमेटिक माइंड टू फाइंड आउट द मीडियन. लेट्स सी हाउ. सी मीडियन 5.5 आइटम. तो हम लोग अर्थमेटिक मीन के हिसाब से इस नंबर को और इस नंबर को लेंगे फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ मीडियन. मीडियन इज इक्वल टू फिफ्थ आइटम प्लस सिक्स्थ आइटम अपॉन 2. तो हम लोगों का मीडियन दिया हुआ है 22. वी विल टेक दैट वैल्यू. फिफ्थ आइटम x प्लस 1 प्लस x प्लस 3 upon 2. This 2 will go and multiply, it will become 44. We will open the brackets. तो ये हुआ 2x plus 4. This 4 will minus, so this will become 40 is equal to 2x. X is equal to, this will divide it. We got the value x is equal to 20. Now the final step, let's find the value of x, or let's find the value of frequency by putting this value x plus 1 and x plus 3. ये हुआ 21 और ये हुआ 23 values. Okay, the question is solved. Moving on to next question. This is our next question of discrete series. In this we are going to find out the median even if the frequency 0, 0 is given. Okay, let's solve the question. Discrete series है तो पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, cumulative frequency निकालेंगे. Okay, by adding on all the frequencies, cumulative frequency हम लोग निकालेंगे. पहले वाले को डायरेक्ट ऐसे लिखते हैं, फिर इन दोनों को ऐड करके आप, इन दोनों को ऐड करके आप, फिर इन दोनों को, फिर इन दोनों को, हम लोगों की cumulative frequency आ गई 3, 8, 8, 8 and 15. ओके, यहाँ पे आपको ये देखना है कि 8 plus 0 is equal to 8 आएगा. फ्रीक्वेंसी चाहे 0 दिया हो तो आपकी सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी आएगी. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने देखा कि क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 3 बार रिपीट हो रहा है. ओके, तो हम लोगों को मीडियन फाइंड आउट करने में दिक्कत होगी. सबसे पहले ये देख लें कि मीडियन कहाँ आ रहा है. ओके, यहाँ पे हम लोगों का n, median is equal to n plus 1 upon 2, and the n here represents the cumulative frequency total. As I told you before, total of cumulative frequency, that is 15. Okay, so 15 plus 1 8th नंबर, 8th आइटम और 8th नंबर। ओके, तो 8th आइटम हम लोगों के पास 3 है, राइट। तो इसमें से कौन सा हम लोग चूज़ करेंगे, यही प्रॉब्लम है। जैसे वी वर स्कैर्ड कि हम लोगों के पास अगर 8 आ गया मीडियन, तो व्हाट विल वी चूज़, बिकॉज वी हैव 3 frequencies containing 8 number, 8 value. So now we will eliminate all the numbers which are having 0 value of frequency. Okay, हमने ये eliminate कर दिया, फिर हमने ये eliminate कर दिया, we will eliminate। फिर इसके corresponding first number पे जो frequency का value है उसको हम लोग लेते हैं, then this will become our observation item in the series and this will become our median. 5 will become our median. Got it? ये हमारा median हो जाएगा। Now this is our next question of continuous series. We know in continuous series class interval frequency is given, so we can also call it as class interval question. Now this question is based on finding the missing frequency. So now let's see what is given in this question, then we will go to the next step of solving this question. There are 7 class intervals of equal size. Okay, we know that there are total number of 7 class intervals of equal size, yani this is I equal size. Question is given one more thing, that is first class interval is 10 to 20. We know that equal size means this is the I, the difference between the lower limit and the upper limit is called I. So we know that there are 7 class intervals and the class interval containing equal size. Okay, so now we can find it out, the class intervals from this 10 to 20, that is 10 1 to 7 class intervals. Okay, we can find this out by the question. Next, let's see what's more given. Assume the n is equal to 100. Now in the continuous series we know that n is total of frequency. तो हमें ये पता है कि cumulative frequency का लास्ट ये 7th class interval का cumulative frequency 100 होगा, right? By this we can conclude कि 7th class interval का cumulative frequency 100 होगा. Let's see what's more given. Cumulative frequency of 4th, 5th, 6th are 45, 75, 95 respectively. Okay, this is the 4th one. 4th, 5th, 6th frequency is not given. Cumulative frequency is given of 4th 45, 75 and 95. So we can find out frequency from this. Let me tell you the formula of finding frequency. F0 is equal to CF1. F0 को हम लोग cumulative frequency 1 मान लेंगे. Then F1 is equal to CF2 minus CF1. Okay. Then F2 is equal to CF3 minus CF2. Then F3 is equal to CF4 minus CF3. Cumulative frequency 3. अगर आपको मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो नहीं समझ में आया, then you can follow this formula of finding the frequency. Then you will know how to calculate the missing frequency in class intervals by the given cumulative frequency. So let's see F0. हम लोग ये मान लेते हैं जो cumulative frequency पहले दिया है 4th नंबर का, उसको हम लोग F0 मान लेंगे, इसको F1 मान लेंगे, इसको F2 मान लेंगे, इसको F3, राइट? तो F0 इज इक्वल टू क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 1, तो इसका हम लोग ऐसे ही डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 1. फाइन. F1 इज इक्वल टू क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 2 माइनस क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी 1, यानी दिस माइनस दिस, तो इसका आ गया ये हमें 30. 75 minus 45 will give us 30. Okay. Then again F2, how will we calculate F2? Cumulative frequency 3 minus cumulative frequency 2. Cumulative frequency 3 is 95. 95 minus 75, right? This will give us 20 cumulative frequency for 6th class interval. All right. नाउ लेट्स सी F3. F3 का क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी नहीं दिया है, पर बट द n is given in cumulative frequency and we know the total of frequency will become the cumulative frequency last step. तो 100 हम लोग इसको एज्यूम कर चुके हैं. Then it will give us 5. 100 minus 95 will give us 5 frequency. Okay, ऐसे हम लोग frequency calculate करेंगे. I hope you understand this, or otherwise you can go through the formula. We have attained all these information from the question. This is what we obtained. This is the solution of the class interval question, the frequency of 4th, 5th, 6th class intervals. So let's see how will we solve. First step which we already calculated, that is cumulative frequency. Now second step we will solve by finding the median number, that is m equal to n upon 2. N is given 100. M is equal to 100 by 2, that is 50th number, right? So let's see 50th number where it stands. It stands in cumulative frequency observation 75. We cannot take 45 because it is smaller than 50, so we have to take 75, the next consecutive number, the next corresponding number. So the class interval will be 50 to 60. Okay, now let's solve the median by applying the class interval. This is lower limit 1, lower limit, this is the frequency for the formula, and this is the cumulative frequency for the formula. क्योंकि we take preceding class cumulative frequency to calculate the median. Let's apply. L1 50 plus I, we know, I have already told you that the gap between class intervals, the lower limit and upper limit, is the I. So we know that gap is 10 values between each class interval. So I will become 10 upon F, as I have told you, we will take 30 multiplied by M, we found out that it is 50, minus C, the preceding class interval. Okay, see, we get 50. 10 divided by 30 multiplied by 50 minus 40. Let's start calculating by solving the bracket. 50 minus 45 will give you 5. Then 50 divided by 30 we will attain 0 0 kata 1.666 bar. तो इसको हम लोग ले लेंगे 1.67. Okay, round figure approx. Then this will give us 51.67 median. We attained the median of 51.67. As I have told you before, we will solve the questions of missing frequency. Done. Frequency value when given 0. Done. Class interval missing frequency. Done. So we have done the 3 questions.